short film to celebrate Birmingham Law Society's bicentenary book by Dr. Sally Hoban. (1818) Birmingham Town, the time of the Industrial Revolution. With a growing number of legal practices in the city, solicitors in Birmingham were keen to ensure that high standards within the profession were maintained. Saturday, 3rd of January 1818, 19 local solicitors met at the Royal Hotel on Temple Row, Birmingham. Their purpose? To discuss ways in which the standards and honourable practices of the legal profession could be upheld locally. It was here, at this meeting, that Birmingham Law Society was formed. The Birmingham Law Library opened its doors in the 1830s, becoming part of Birmingham Law Society in 1832. It went on to become the largest provincial law library in England. Over the years, the library had a number of homes. It provided an essential service to BLS members for over 150 years, and as former librarian John Pumphrey remarked in 1933, many glorious legal fights were conducted with ammunition gleaned from the law library's books. Over the last 200 years, Birmingham Law Society has also been involved in some of the most important developments for the local legal community. The Society's role in representing and campaigning on behalf of its members continues. Between 2012 and 2018, the Society has submitted responses to over 100 government and regulatory consultations, totaling nearly 270,000 words. Legal education has always been a priority for Birmingham Law Society. As early as 1906, it set up the Birmingham Board of Legal Studies. Its purpose? To support legal education in the city until the university was able to establish a law school. The Society has always encouraged close links with local universities. In 2010, a new student committee was launched, and 7 years on, it provides a wealth of networking and personal development opportunities for the Society's more than 2,000 student members. A formal lecture program for BLS members began in the second half of the 20th century, with courses covering important and topical issues of the times. In more recent times, the Society has held debates, seminars and public lectures on Brexit, access to justice, the Lord Jackson reforms and legal apprenticeships. Birmingham Law Society has long recognised the importance of getting lawyers to meet, speak and socialise with one another. The first social event for the Society took place in 1818. And since that time, there have been annual dinners, balls, dinner dances, legal quizzes, legal awards, mock trials, and an array of sporting events. Established at a time when the legal profession was the preserve of men, the typewriter was not yet in common usage, and the first telephone would not be installed in the local county court for another 65 years. Birmingham Law Society has seen many changes. As the legal profession has changed, the practice of law has modernised, and the city of Birmingham has grown. So too has Birmingham Law Society. Being part of Birmingham Law Society means that our members don't have to face those challenges alone. A collective voice that speaks on behalf of its members can be far more effective and persuasive than an individual voice. Despite the changes, there remains much about Birmingham Law Society that those 19 men who met on Temple Row in 1818 would recognise even today. For 200 years, it has remained at the heart of our legal community. And whilst no one can predict what is going to happen in the next 200 years, one thing is certain: Birmingham Law Society will continue to promote protect and progress the interests of our local legal community.